The best compliment that I heard so far was that Aditi is so hot. The good thing for me is in this industry that I can sing and act. Even for the next film Chashme Badur, I'm singing my own song.
तुम ना एक नंबर की टीज हो।
मेरी गलती है कि तुम एक नंबर के ठरकी हो।
We've got a really positive, happy response, which is what we wanted. And the people who we expected would like the film, which is the huge youth in the country. I think they've all gone to the multiplexes and they've all gone in with many friends in between exams. And I think people have really liked it.
The best compliment that I heard so far was that Aditi is so hot. So that was one compliment, and the second best was that Aditi acted so well in the film.
And Ali?
And the third compliment was that she sings so well in the film. So I got these three compliments. We kept our expectations very real, and so our producers and the production house and the studio, Fox and everybody, they were all aware of the nature of the film and the target audience, and it was released for the urban market and urban centers more, and that's where they had all concentrated on, and that's where they got the feedback from and all of that. So in that regard, so everyone was then happy and satisfied, because that is what the expectation was. Because the film, if you look at the film, it is actually a kind of a niche film made for that target audience, the urban youth, and with that urban youth, it struck the right chord, and because of them, it did really good, and so we were very happy.
What I really like about Ali, apart from, forget the fact that I think he's a wonderful artist and all, think about him personally, is the fact that he's got a sense of ease and fun, and at the same time, I think he has a lot of depth, and I like that way.
That's 1.5 things.
That's 1.5?
That's more than
8.5.
That's more than 2. Thank you for your kind words.
And he's cute. See, that helps. He has a nice smile also.
मैं सही कहता था, मोटे चश्मों में बहुत हॉट लगती है।
Shut up.
The good thing for me is in this industry that I can sing and act. I don't have to leave singing or music to act, because Bollywood films have songs. So even this film I got to compose and write and sing and do all of that. So I didn't feel, distant from my real calling. And at the same time I keep connected. Like recently I performed at the Jahan-e-Khusro. So the day the film was releasing, I was there at the Sufi festival. So I want to be connected to my real calling also, and at the same time work in the industry. So I have to balance that out. But I mean, even for the next film Chashme Badur, I'm singing my own song, so I get to sing and act. So that's a good thing. I don't want to make music for commercial gain like that. As in, मुझे एक idea होता है कि जी एक hit गाना बनाना है, वो नहीं, एक वो गाना बनाना है जो दिल कर रहा है, जो आपका दिल कह रहा है। छोटी-छोटी खुशियाँ जागी जागी अखियाँ हैं जिंदगी में, तुम हो या तुम में जिंदगी है दोनों।
Experience that I've had working with Ali, I trust him a lot, and I really enjoyed working with him. And anything, whether it's a film or music or anything, I would be more than happy to work with Ali again on anything.
And next is Chashme Badur with David Dhawan. I saw the songs recently and they looked absolutely amazing and fun.
Yeah, I'm dying to see it
and
already.
The other day I was at Sajid Wajid's studio, and they recorded Shriya Ghoshal, one of our duets, and me and her are singing. We're going to Mauritius to shoot that in a few days. After that is another film, but that again I can't talk about it. I play Farooq Sheikh's character, the lead in that, and opposite Tapsi. We have Mr. Nopin Kher in the cast, and Rishi Kapoor, Lilith Dubey hai. So, and then Siddharth and Divyendu as my friends. So वो पूरा एक ensemble बहुत मजे का है. I think Chamko we haven't touched that because that became such a. But क्या कहते हैं, Sajid Farhad, their dialogues, I mean, they're so funny. When I heard the narration, I was in fits. I was like, this is really funny. वो देखने में कैसी सीधी साधी लगती है, अंदर से कैसी सी बोलती कि वो तो कुछ नहीं समझती है, अंदर अंदर से कितनी तेज।
अब मैं नॉर्मल गा के सुनाती हूँ। वो देखने में कैसी सीधी साधी लगती है, बोलती कि वो तो
Yo,
कुछ नहीं
yo,
समझती,
yeah,
अंदर से कितनी तेज है। कभी अजीब सी कभी हसीन लगती, कभी किसी किताब का हसीन लगती, फिलॉसफी का क्रेज है।
मैं क्या कर रहा था?
ओ,
What the hell was that?
कहता है ये एक, ओ ता ती से ता हो गया, कहती है ये एक फेज है।
जाने जा जाने मन तो हर गाने में आता है, पलवान रोमियो हर लड़का ही बन जाता है।